Are you looking for ways to earn some extra income this year? If you are into succulents like me, I want you to know that this hobby can become one of your income sources, and it is never too late to start this year. If you have even just a small desire to do some side hustle and earn some extra income, then you should pay attention because what I'm going to share with you today can be beneficial to you. There is money in growing succulents, and there are multiple ways to earn extra income from this hobby. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 13 ways to make money with succulents. The reason why I'm inspired to share all these tips with you is that I came across a post on Facebook by Jogi. In this post, he shared how he earned 64,000 pesos or more than $1,200 in 10 minutes selling succulents at the live auction. And he wrote that you can make money from what you love doing. Selling at the live auction is just one way of earning money with succulents. There are multiple ways you can generate income from your succulent hobby. Most of these income-generating ideas do not need you to invest a lot of money. If you've been growing succulents for a while now, you can even start from what you already have in your garden or just add a few inventories and you are good to go. Number 1, you can buy and sell succulents. So if you live in places where you have access to a lot of nurseries growing succulents, you should take advantage of that opportunity. In California, especially in LA or San Diego, succulents are cheaper compared to other states. Also, succulent choices are limited in other places, so there would be people who would want to buy from you. A lot of succulent enthusiasts prefer to buy from backyard gardeners because the prices are much lower. This is because, unlike nurseries, backyard growers do not have a lot of overhead expenses. They do not pay to rent a space or spend salary for staff. Now, if you are new, what if nobody buys from you at first? Well, it is still going to be a win-win situation for you because as the plant grows and matures, the price also goes up. Succulents' value increases the longer you keep it because the plant will grow bigger and may even give you more babies. So if visiting nurseries is one of your hobbies, buying and selling succulents can become one of your income sources. The next time you visit a nursery, why not try to look for plants that you can resell so you can earn an extra income from them? The more unique or rare they are, the better the price. Someday, instead of spending your own money buying succulents to grow your collection, you can finance your hobby and also earn an extra on the side. Number 2, you can plant succulent cuttings and sell rooted succulents at a higher price after 2 to 3 months. Stable and well-rooted succulents are priced more compared to cuttings. So if your intention is to earn by planting and selling rooted succulents, be smart when you shop. Select matured succulent plants with many branches or offsets. You can double or even triple your money that way. Another way is to buy succulent cutting packages offering multiple species in one set. Bigger and more colorful or beautiful the plant grows, the higher you can price them. If you're new to succulents and if you need help on how to plant succulents from cuttings, check out my YouTube video on the topic. The link is in the description below. Number 3, you can sell cuttings and leaves. That's what's amazing about this succulent plant. You can sell different parts of it. Because of the plant's water storing ability, it won't wilt for days after trimming. So you can ship them and they will remain gorgeous even after several days inside the package. And if you can ship, that means you have a broader customer reach. More customers, more opportunity to sell. And just imagine this. If you have a lot of mother plants, they will keep on producing for you for free. And the more you trim, the more they grow. So if you are selling the cuttings, it's like having a money-making machine at home. That's literally multiplying your money while you sleep. Number 4, create succulent arrangements. Another way of earning from this hobby is by being creative. I enjoy creating arrangements because this activity is very relaxing. And as they say, if you enjoy what you do, it doesn't seem like work at all. This is also how my business started. Whenever I complete an arrangement before, I would excitedly show my finished projects on social media. This got people asking me whether I sell them or not. When I started selling my succulent arrangements, I was introduced to more ways of earning money from this hobby, and I was able to slowly build my business. So if you love creating arrangements, this can be your chance to make extra money doing what you love. With succulent arrangements, you can charge more because you are not only pricing the plants, but also including your artistry as well. And the more you create, the more you learn how to improve or evolve your style. In no time, you'll be a pro. And if you think you do not have a market for this, know that you can sell them all year round. They can also be given as gifts for special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or housewarmings. They can be displayed as centerpieces during holidays and can be used for special events like weddings or showers. And nowadays, it is easy to advertise products. Gone are the days when only those companies with a large budget could advertise. Now you can enter online marketplaces and sell your products without paying for any ads. But of course, to be seen, you need to catch people's attention. One way I get people's attention is by showing healthy and beautiful succulents. I've noticed that the more colorful the succulents are, the more interested people get. So if you intend to take your hobby to another level, step up your game and learn how to grow colorful succulents. Number 5, invest in imported Korean succulents. And let me tell you why. There are Korean companies that can give you deep discounts when you buy in bulk. If you buy more, they waive the shipping fee, and they do offer international shipping. So if you live outside the US and you do not have access to a lot of succulents like we do, this is one way of bringing in those beautiful hybrids. It might require you to provide some documents like an import permit and a phytosanitary permit, but once you've started on your first order, it's going to be smooth, and it's really not that difficult. Korean succulents can attract more buyers, and you can price them way more because they are rare. You will probably be the only one selling them in your location. Number 6, conduct workshops. Yes, you can also earn by conducting workshops. You can teach a group of people how to create some projects, provide them with the materials they need, and guide them on how to be creative. You get to meet people with the same interests as you, and you get to earn and enjoy at the same time. Now, these 6 money-making ideas I mentioned will require you to do some physical work. You need to buy the plants, grow them, create arrangements, and maybe ship them eventually as well. But there are more ways you can earn money growing succulents without constantly working. They are called passive incomes. In creating passive incomes, you put in some work initially. Maybe you won't get paid right away, but as you grow your assets, you'll get to earn without constantly putting in the effort in the future. Let me show you the different ways of earning passive income by growing succulents, and I hope you'll find one that will work for you. So number 7, earn money blogging about succulents. So if you love to write, you can start blogging about succulents. And if you work with these plants, it is easy to create content and share what you know about them. And as the number of your blog posts increases, you get to grow your audience and earn income from ads or affiliates. Number 8, create a succulent YouTube channel. You can take videos of your succulents and upload them on YouTube. You do not need to be an expert to start a YouTube channel. Some people would be interested to learn from you as a beginner. You can even share the mistakes you made, and your subscribers will thank you for your honesty and for preventing them from making the same errors. I've grown my subscribers to 84,000 over 5 years. Of course, it's way less compared to those with millions of subscribers, but because of my YouTube channel, I was able to scale my business and get paid. Although I still upload videos once a week or sometimes twice a month, I consider it a passive income because I still earn from the videos I made 5 years ago. If you have even just a small spark of interest to start a YouTube channel, I advise you to go for it. You have everything to gain. Start now and learn as you go. Everyone started not knowing much as a beginner. You too will learn over time. And if you think that you need high-tech or complicated gadgets to start a channel, you are wrong. You can start a YouTube channel by using only your phone and the free app that comes with it. Even until now, I still use my iPhone to record and upload my videos to YouTube. Number 9, affiliate marketing. Another passive income related to succulents is affiliate marketing. You can endorse other people's products and earn a commission. Initially, it may not be a significant amount, but free money is still extra money. And you do not need a huge following to start affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing even on Facebook. But of course, it is when you create more blogs and YouTube videos that you get to earn more from affiliate marketing. Number 10, you can also earn money by drop shipping products with succulent designs like t-shirts, iPhone cases, blankets, and thousands of products. For this one, you will need some computer skills to be able to design the items. This is a side hustle wherein you do not need to put in money to manufacture these products. Instead, all you need is a computer and a program like Photoshop or Canva that will allow you to create and customize the item. You will need to upload the design and sell it on your website or marketplaces like Etsy. Once an order is put in, it will go directly to the manufacturer and they will create and ship the items for you. Dropshipping is a great passive income because once you create and upload the designs, you can start earning right away without working additional hours. You might need to market the products to get noticed, but you can create thousands of designs and who knows, one of those will attract more customers. Now, as you progress in your succulent journey, you can do more. For example, because I've been growing succulents for several years, I've accumulated enough knowledge to guide beginners and help them become successful in their newfound venture. I was able to write a book about succulent care and also created the audiobook version of it. The book is now being sold by Amazon and other print-on-demand companies, and it is also available worldwide. Was I good at writing in the beginning? I wasn't. It was a struggle for me to put it together. It took me a year to finish the book, but I did what I could to fulfill my goal. And now, I get paid without having to touch it. The same thing with the audiobook. I recorded one time, submitted it, and I do not need to do anything after that except, of course, market it to my audience and still receive something from it. Number 12, another way of earning passive income is by creating online courses. This is where you put together everything someone needs to learn about a certain topic and deliver it online. So after a while, your knowledge and experience may allow you to teach others. You can package your content and create a course. This is something a little bit more advanced, but who knows, you too can achieve it someday. And lastly, number 13, my favorite of all, is selling succulent related items or tools on huge marketplaces like Amazon. So there is what they call Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon. This is where you have the product manufactured and shipped to Amazon warehouse. If a customer orders online, it will not go to you. It will go directly to Amazon and they will handle everything for you, from packing, shipping, and customer service. You can then run this business even though you are outside the US. Isn't that cool? I have tried and done all these 13 things I've mentioned to you, and all of them can bring an extra money each month. Guys, when I shifted my mindset from being a hobbyist to an entrepreneur, that's when my life really changed. So I hope this video inspired you to appreciate succulents more. Now, of all these income generating tips, which idea would you like to try? And if you have more income generating suggestions, please let us know by leaving your comments below. And if you learned from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Have a great day, everyone!